Hey Sweet Heat fam, today I will be making Cajun crab cakes. Stay tuned.
Oops.
In a large bowl, you're going to combine all of your wet ingredients. I started with mayo, not Miracle Whip because that's too sweet. You just want to use regular mayonnaise. And then I put mustard in there. If you don't like mustard, you won't taste it. It's just for the flavor. And then I put an egg in my seasonings. I put paprika, onion powder, Cajun seasoning, blackened seasoning. I used the shrimp boil concentrate because I wanted it a little bit more spicy. I put lime juice instead of lemon juice. You can use lemon juice if you want. And then I use Worcestershire sauce, parsley, and garlic. And for the seasonings, I don't measure it. I just use my own judgment. Just put enough until you feel like it's enough. I will have all the ingredients with the measurements and pictures of what I use in the description box below. Once you have all of the wet ingredients in the bowl and your seasonings, you want to give it a good stir. After you mix the sauce, you're going to add your crab meat and your breadcrumbs. You want to fold the crab meat into the mixture. You don't want to stir it because that will break up the crab meat. After everything is mixed, you want to place it in the fridge for about an hour for it to get cold, or you can leave it in the fridge overnight. And I don't know what it is, but I always struggle with cling wrap. Comment below if you struggle too. When I make my crab cakes, I like to make them into crab balls instead of patties, but this is where you can shape them how you want. I ended up making 4 crab cakes. After you form your crab cakes, you want to place it on a flat baking sheet with parchment paper so it won't stick to the bottom. And then you're going to place it in the oven at 450 degrees between 10 to 15 minutes until it's golden brown. Wow, these crab cakes were so good, y'all. I really hope you all try this recipe and let me know how it turns out for you. Remember that all of the ingredients and measurements will be in the link that's in the description box. And I want to thank you all for 3K subscribers.